guys, so I'm gonna install the steering wheel. I got all the parts. I got my hub adapter from NRG. I have my quick release, which is a 2-part quick release. You gotta press here and then pull up. And that releases this hub. And of course, steering wheel, PRP steering wheel. So I'm going to, the way this kind of works is this hooks into the steering wheel. This hooks onto the hub, and that goes all in there. You'll see it a little bit better once I get it all bolted up together, but that's what I got going today. And let's bolt it all up. All right, guys, the airbag needs to come off. So there's this bar down here. You gotta push it in. So I got like a Torx where I can push in if you have maybe a flat head or something like that. Push in. I kind of mangled this a little bit. So that pushes up and basically releases these. Let's see if I can get this closer. Releases these that metal bar out from underneath those grooves. So you see what I'm talking about? You press this up like that, and that releases the whole thing. And yes, I sweat a bunch doing that because I couldn't get it for quite a while, and I finally got it. From there, we're just going to disconnect these plugs, and then there's the nut. I'll probably put the steering wheel straight and then go from there. All right, guys, so to get these airbag clips off, you get a little hook tool. You pop them up. You can do this with a pocket screwdriver, and then they just pull out like so. Then you can set on the side, and then I'll probably pull off. Well, should be just a nut from there, and then steering wheel off, and new parts. So yeah, we'll get that in. All right, guys. So everything off. So as you saw, got the steering wheel off. It's just the grooves right here, right in the middle, right in here. It's grooved inside here, and then it holds that on. And once you pull this off, then you got your steering angle. It's like a ribbon cable inside here. You can take that off. I'm not gonna need that. Also holds, yeah, it's like a long ribbon cable, and the name for it's escaping me right now. BMWs are called steering angle sensors, but it also holds the electronics for the steering wheel, so it can go through there. This may not be a steering angle sensor in here, but I think it is. I'm sure it is. I'm sure there's a steering angle sensor, but it also retains the continuity through here as it goes around. Don't need that. Weight reduction, that's all of 4 ounces. But that means we're cooking with fire now. We got that stuff on. And it's ready to test fit our hub. So here we go. Alright, cross your fingers. Oh, it slid right on. This was showing for a 350Z in an Armada, so I took a chance. Someone made a suggestion, and she fits right up. Sweet! So, that's on. Probably Loctite this. I want to test fit everything and get it all lined up. get too far ahead of myself. So that's on there. Grab my other. All right, so now I'm going to line up my steering wheel on my quick release. This thing's pre-drilled for a different steering wheel, so it's got 2 different sets of holes. So I'm gonna get this mounted on there. I'm gonna mount this on the hub that I just put in. Then we will have a working situation here. So it's got wires and stuff too for horns and stuff, but I'm not gonna run a horn, so. All right, quick thing, guys. So my PRP steering wheel came with these. It also came with longer bolts, or screws, I guess you would call them. Bolts, whatever. But these are not like a countersink into here like the other ones are. The other ones are like a tapered, like this, so they sink in flush. But these screws don't seem long enough to go through both the steering wheel and my little cover. So I don't know if I should just get longer screws, or if this is okay to go through both. When I put them through both, it doesn't seem like there's enough thread to be catching, and I'd rather just have the more thread. So comment, tell me what I should do. Just buy some longer screws, because none of my kits came with any longer screws between the two, between all 3 of these things. So for now, whatever I do, I will Loctite these, I promise. I'll Loctite these in so that it's all a solid piece. Not gonna come apart on me while I'm racing. But for now, until I figure out what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put these on so that they're hand tight. And then I'll get into researching whether or not I can just get a longer screw. And of course I lost that. So I'll get this done. All right, guys, in the truck. Time to install my little hub here. I'll install this here, and then we will put the steering wheel on and see how she fits. This chair is way back, so it's probably gonna be perfectly nice. Hopefully it fits just like I wanted it to. So let's do a little time lapse. All right, she's on. I'm gonna lock it. Oh, geez. It's not totally bolted in, so let's see how it works. This is where I'll have to fiddle with it to make sure the wheel's straight, but there it is. Oh, that feels good. It feels really good. I'm pretty excited about that. So, next up, everything else. But for now, we got a steering wheel, and it works, and it fits. And I think I have some cowl pieces here, so when I get everything back together, I got to cover this nastiness. Sweet.